By asking this question, the interviewer wants to learn about your career goals and how this position fits into your plan. He wants to make sure that you are sincerely interested in the job and will be motivated to perform if hired. Best answer here will demonstrate a good knowledge of the airline. That means you must do your homework so that you can identify specific reasons for wanting to work for the airline. These reasons could include one or several of the following: general reputation of the airline, reputation of key leaders, airline's growth or success, future plans of the airline, airline's management philosophy, airline's achievements and awards.